This is your lesson for the M&M Place Value. The first thing I need you to do is look at the slide in your choice board that tells you what each color represents. Okay, so you should have seen that the red M&Ms are equal to your ones, your yellows are your tens, your greens are your hundreds, your blue are your tenths, your brown are your hundredths, and your orange is your thousandths. So the first thing I'm going to want you to do is group them by their colors. So I have green, I've got some brown, red, yellow, a blue, and some orange. You may not have some of every color, okay? This is just what came out in my handful of the bag. So whatever is in your bag may or may not have one of every color. Okay, so now I need to put them in order by their place values. So we said that your hundreds place is going to be your green, so I'm going to do that first. Your tens are your yellow, okay, so I'm going to put them like this. Your ones are your red, okay. Your blue are your tenths, your brown are your hundredths, and your orange are your thousandths. Okay, so now I've got them in order. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw this on my paper. So I'm going to draw, and you need colored pencils or crayons to do that. I don't have those here with me, but you can shade them in. So I'm going to draw, I have two green, so I'm going to draw them like this and then shade them in green and write 100 in each one. Okay, so I got those. Now I'm going to draw my yellow, so 2 yellow, and then I would color these in yellow, and I'm going to write 10 on each one. Then I'm going to draw my red. I'm going to color these red, and I'm going to write 1 in each one. Okay, then I'm going to draw my blue, and I'm going to write 1/10 in that, color it in blue. I have 2 brown. I'm going to write 1/100 in that one. And then I'm going to draw my 2 orange, and I'm going to do 1/1000 in that one. Okay, once you have that part done, now you're going to do your standard form. You're going to make your number based on the M&Ms that you have. Okay, so I have 2 hundreds, that's my green, so I'm going to write a 2. I have 2 yellow, those are my 10s, so that's 20. I have 2 ones. Okay, I have 222, and don't forget your decimal place because now we're moving behind your decimal. Okay, so now I'm going to move these out of my way. I'm just going to look at my decimals. I have 1/10, I have 2 hundredths, and 2 thousandths. So my number is 222 and 122 thousandths. Your next line is your word form. So you're going to write your number in word form. 222 and 122 thousandths. Okay. Next is expanded form. That's what you've done before 5th grade is your expanded form. So mine would be 200 plus 20 plus 2 plus 1/10 plus 2 hundredths plus 2 thousandths. All right, and our last one is expanded notation. So I'm gonna do 2 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 2 times 1 plus 1 times 1/10 plus 2 times 100th plus 2 times 1,000th. When this is finished, these are colored in to match your M&Ms. Make sure your name is on it and turn this into your turning in folder, then you may eat. This must be completed before I should see you eating your M&Ms.